Hi everyone, it's Will from PowTechnology. I'm going to take you through now a video on powering up the Metron and walking through the menus. So here we go. We plug in the power for the first time and you'll see the Metron boots up. And we're going to cut away to a closer of seeing the menus. Okay everyone, we're going to take you through some of the menus now on the Metron. So you can wake the Metron up by pressing any of the buttons. These are capacitance buttons, so you don't actually need to press them, but in general, we typically tend to just give them a little tap. And then it asks you to enter the pin number. You'll find this pin number on the quick start guide, and there's a standard pin number available on the quick start guide. So the pin we're going to use today is 1234. And we enter that through the menu. So up and down, change the values. You'll see there's a number of pin attempts as well. I've got 3 attempts before it's unsuccessful. And I hit next and it enters me into the menu, and I've got a variety of different system commands. So I can use this device to power the sensor locally and check what it's doing. But the main feature that we use, which again features in the quick start guide, is the force transmit. So I scroll down to force transmit, and this will initiate a transmission. So what it will do first, it will power all of the sensor channels individually, and you'll see it scrolling through the different channels now. We're on to channel 3 and then channel 4, and you'll see the different values light up. The unit will then initiate a connection with the server. So it's a mobile GSM device. It uses a variety of different mobile technologies. So NB-IoT and LTE-M are the classic 4G technologies that it will use, but it also uses 2G as a fallback technology. So the unit will go through a series of transmission steps. And if you're having any trouble with the unit, noting down what point it gets to in the transmission step is key, because that will give us some indication as to if it's struggling with connection to a local mobile network, or if it's a server-based connection or establishing a data connection through a network. There are a variety of different troubleshooting steps we can take. So you'll see the transmission going ahead. And once the transmission is complete, we'll see that happen. So it will scroll through a variety of percentages. So that's the unit about to finish transmitting there. It can take up to 2 to 3 minutes for a unit to transmit. And this is because it will use a variety of different retry algorithms for robust technology communication. So if it fails on one network, it will try to find another network, and it will roam through different technologies. But once it's hit the 100% mark, it will finish its transmit. We'll get some stats on the screen and a little countdown about what is possible for the which network the unit's used and signal strength and those kind of things. But once it's hit its 100% mark, it's transacted its data with the server, and then it will go back to sleep. And the Metron goes back to sleep on a periodic basis, waking up to check sensor readings and transmitting them if required. So I've been Will from PowTechnology. We've been running through a series of videos covering Metron technology, how to use a Metron, some of our expanded things. Don't forget that we are an IoT solutions company. We're ISO 9001 and ISO 27001 certified. We manufacture a ton of products made in this country, and we develop end-to-end solutions for a variety of different industries and customers. So if you want to get in touch with us, please do so. If you've got any more questions or feedback, any more videos you want to see, let us know.